For this demo, we can go back to Carmilla's computer that we saw in the first demo item, which was a machine that was not properly patched. We can see that there are over 200 vulnerabilities present on the system. We can dive into more details of all the vulnerabilities by their different categories. We can see that Carmilla's Firefox browser has a lot of vulnerabilities as it is an older version that has not yet been patched. An administrator can have a look at these same details from his dashboard on the FortiClient EMS. We can see that Carmilla is listed here as one of the users. And once we go into her account, we can see a comprehensive list of the same vulnerabilities present on her system. For now, let's go ahead and select all the critical Firefox vulnerabilities and then have them patched. Note that we can also scan for the vulnerabilities from the EMS itself. But for now, let's go ahead and patch those vulnerabilities. The FortiClient EMS will remotely initiate the FortiClient running on Carmilla's computer to patch the specified vulnerabilities. Once the action is initiated, FortiClient will automatically begin to scan and patch the vulnerabilities silently in the system. We'll now speed up the time for the scanning and the patching process. Once FortiClient has completed the vulnerability patching, we can see that the number of vulnerabilities on the system are much lower. There are still some Adobe Flash vulnerabilities present on the system. Once again, the administrator can remotely patch the system from the FortiClient EMS. As we can see, those remaining Adobe Flash vulnerabilities are listed here. Keep in mind that even though we initiated the vulnerability patching manually, this process can be automated by setting the automated patching from the vulnerability scan settings within the profile as well, based on the severity of the vulnerabilities as shown here.